10 मिनट के अंदर आपको वो क्वेश्चंस लिखने हैं and then return back to me in the chat itself, or if you will not write in chat, make a PDF in your copy and then submit me after my period. My period will be over at 9:40. 9:45 के अंदर मुझे PDF मिल जाना चाहिए, otherwise you are absent for today. जो absent है वो तो absent है, लेकिन जो present है वो भी absent हो जाएंगे अगर उन्होंने रिवीजन मुझे नहीं भेजा तो only 5 questions and that too are very easy. So please write the question. Better you write it in copy and make a PDF. PDF के ऊपर अपना नाम with class. First you write your name, for example Bhumi Kochar, class 9th, or better you write first your class, then you write your name. So 9 dot Bhumi Kochar, like this. So this will be the upper part of the PDF, and the questions are only 5 questions. After these 5 questions, I will send you one Google form link. उसमें आपको कुछ MCQs दिए हुए हैं. These all are for first chapter. तो मैंने तुमको पहले ही बताया था, हम every week एक एक chapter revise करेंगे in one class, and in the next period that will be the revision of that class, that chapter. And as I think you all know that your final exam will be from first week of March. Now we have very less time. We have only 3 weeks, and in every weeks you are having only 6 periods of science. तो हर टीचर को अपना अपना एक एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है, तो आप वो सब सोच के चलिए, और अगर ऑफलाइन के लिए बुलाया गया तो वो भी सोच के चलिए, ठीक? तो now without wasting, now it is 9:05, without wasting time I am sending the questions. See the questions and write down in the copy and send me the PDF fast. अगर मेरे पीरियड में लिख कर भेज दोगे तो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि after 9:40 your next period will be on 9:50. Sakshi, it depends on the management that school will be open or not. Now the government is saying to reopen the school. ठीक है, तो अब गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो अब आपको हो सकता है बुलाया जाए, तो प्लीज आप उसके लिए रेडी रहिए और रिवीजन करिए. अब ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आना चाहिए कि कब खुलेगा, क्यों खुलेगा, कैसे खुलेगा. नाउ योर क्वेश्चन इज दिस. First question is, why is virus an exception of cell theory? Second question, which organelle other than nucleus contain DNA? Very easy questions, 1 mark or 2 marks question hai. So better write it fast. No need to write question. Nahi likhoge question chalega, but write answer. And the third question is, what is membrane biogenesis? What is the function? What are the functional region of cell? And name the cell organelles which contain the genetic material. Manvi, don't ask this question. Just continue with the answer. At 9:16, now it is 9:06. At 9:16, you have to complete this question. Make PDF. At 9:20, I will send you the Google form link. In my WhatsApp number, no email ID, WhatsApp. In my WhatsApp number, and you all know my WhatsApp number. Again, I am sending. First, you write this answer, and in PDF with your handwriting.